Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to rename files in bulk in Claude Cowork. So as I said, in this video I will show you how to rename files in bulk using Claude Cowork. It is very, I would say, easy because Cowork can execute shell commands which make bulk file operation very efficient, and I will show you how you can do it. So first of all, we have to switch into the Claude Cowork, and we will connect into a folder. So I will press on work in a project and I will choose a different folder. Here I have the documents, and here I have the Claude folder that I prepared for this video. Now I will show you what is inside of this folder. So we have the Claude folder right here. I have files with the txt extension. So I have file 1, file 2, and so on, up until file 7. And in today's video, I will show you how to change, for example, the syntax. So let's say that you want to rename them, for example, to the name with a little bit different syntax, and you can actually do it with Claude Cowork. So let's create a prompt. Rename all file underscore, and I will type in xxx. This xxx basically stands for, is a placeholder for that number that is in the name of the file. Files to format, and now we will specify the format. So for example, 2026, maybe event and xxx .txt using bash, because Claude Cowork can actually use the bash shell and bash commands. So I will press enter, and now we are waiting. The Cowork is working, loading tools, and found 7 files, renaming them. Now we have it here, and all 7 files have been renamed, and I will show you that right now. As you can see, we have it here. Every file has a different name right now, and it is very easy. As you can see the comment. So actually you can open that, and somewhere there you have the script with the comments that your model has used. So here you have cd, and here he is renaming with that loop every file with this asterisk sign. Basically stands for how many characters, I mean whatever number of characters that we have here, and then it is using the new name with 2026 event and the number that we had here. So this is how does it work. You can use it on every file, for example videos, the images, and changing names will be very quickly, because if you have, for example, 100 files, you can either run a script, write a script, create a script like this, and manually, and you have to run it on yourself, by yourself, or you have to change every file manually, which will be very long, or you can just connect folder, create a prompt, and you can execute it, and your files will be renamed in like 10 seconds. So that's all in this video. This is how you can rename files in bulk using Claude Cowork. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.